Are you looking for the best wet in your budget? Well, in today's video, we break down the top 5 best wet that are available on the market. I made this list based on their price, quality, durability, and more. To find out more information about this product, you can check out the description below, and also make sure you subscribe for more reviews. Okay, so let's get started with the video. The 5th product on our list is the BISSELL 2554 CrossWave Cordless Wet. If you're a person who gets that shiver of satisfaction when they deep clean, the feeling of being able to vacuum and wash your floors at the same time is next level. Just wait until you get to see that dirty brown water that came off your floors. One of the best features of this wet-dry vacuum is that it is cordless. Finally, you can get all the way around the house without having to dodge the cord length or accidentally unplug your vacuum because you went too far. This wet-dry vacuum has 2-tank technology that keeps the clean water and detergent separate from the dirty water it collects after cleaning your floors. Improved edge cleaning allows you to get the corners and crevices and all the dust and pet hair that floats just out of reach. It's safe to use on tile, sealed wood floors, laminate, linoleum, rubber floor mats, pressed wood floors, and rugs. When you're done, it cleans itself, flushing all the dirt, hair, and gunk out after each use, so it's ready to go again when you are. You can even download the app, so you know when your wet-dry vacuum is self-cleaning or fully charged and ready to roll. Up next in the 4th place is the Dewalt 18/20V Max Wet-Dry Vacuum. This wet-dry shop vac can be used either with the cord or cordless. Power it with a versatile Dewalt 18 or 20V Max battery that switches seamlessly with your other Dewalt tools. The cordless shop vac also includes a HEPA-rated wet-dry filter. This ensures that dust and debris are conveniently trapped with 99.97% efficiency at 1 micron. The filter itself can be easily removed when it needs to be washed and replaced. Use tap water to rinse it clean. The highlight of this device is its heavy-duty crush-resistant, fully integrated 5-feet hose. It goes a long way to ensure the overall flexibility, durability, and functionality of suction power. The 2-gallon tank allows plenty of space, so you can even empty a toilet or clogged pipe. The 3rd product on our list is the BISSELL CrossWave Pet Pro All-in-One Wet. Anyone who has pets will absolutely love this BISSELL CrossWave Pet Pro All-in-One Wet-Dry Vacuum. Designed specifically for dealing with all that fur and those wet and dirty pet messes, this vacuum for pet hair includes a tangle-free brush roll, pet hair strainer, and a multi-surface pet formula with Febreze freshness. Not only does it do a great job of washing and dusting at the same time, but it also goes a long way to eliminate those pesky pet hairs that plague the home of every fur parent. The tangle-free bush roll keeps hair from getting stuck around your brush roll while cleaning, while the pet hair strainer separates your pet's hair and any other larger debris from the wet canister tank. Compared to other wet-dry vacuums, this one has 2 tanks for water, one for dirty and one for clean water, plus a Febreze detergent. Second on our list is the Dewalt 6-gallon Poly Wet-Dry Vacuum. Dewalt is well known for high-quality tools and appliances, and the Dewalt 6-gallon Poly Wet-Dry Vac is no exception. This is an affordable and well-made wet-dry small shop vac that features a 4-peak horsepower motor and 6-gallon capacity, making it best for domestic uses and less challenging cleaning tasks. It comes with very durable rubber swivel casters that allow for easy movement of the device. The wheels give the wet-dry shop vac a 360-dimensional movement around the areas, enabling it access to tough and tight spots and areas. The power cord length is 10 feet, and the vacuum comes with power cord wraps for easy storage. Another convenient feature is the built-in blower that enables the vacuum to blow out debris in your workshop or leaves left lying around on the lawn. Finally, the top product on our list is the CRAFTSMAN CMZEV 17595 16-gallon 6.5 peak HP wet-dry vacuum. For a bigger job, The CRAFTSMAN CMZEV 17595 16-gallon wetry vac is the way to go. With its 6.5 peak HP motor and a 16-gallon capacity, it can tackle pretty much everything you can throw it at. It comes with a car nozzle, utility nozzle, and wet nozzle. Additionally, it is fitted with a large diameter hose equipped with dual flex tech that ensures it is kink and crush resistant. And thanks to its Quick lock filter fastening system, the vacuum filters can be changed in a nick of time. The extra large drain allows you to empty the liquid tank quite easily. All in all, this is a heavy-duty product that has the ability to make a small deal of a big mess in no time at all. For more top-quality products for your home, be sure to browse our list of the most popular HEPA vacuums on the market. Thanks for watching, and that's all for now. I hope to see you guys in the next video. Till next time.